Mind mapping is an assignment that you will complete in Module 3. You need to turn to pages 88 and 89 in your textbook. The authors walk through what mind mapping is and how this can help you generate ideas and go through a thought process when you're, in this example, thinking about how to get kids to and have a more creative environment. I want you to go back to Module 2. You're going to pull the 5 weaknesses that you identified in Module 2's assignment, and you're going to pick 2 of the 5 to complete a mind map. You're going to complete a mind map by just jotting your ideas, creating your own web, like the one that is modeled on page 88. One thing I often find as a weakness in early childhood classrooms is encouraging writing daily. So I jotted that down on a piece of paper in the middle. I immediately start thinking about what should be in the writing center and how the writing center should look. Then I go to the other centers and I think, what should those centers have in them? What can I do? Not all of these things are about writing per se, but really about kids interacting in a way that might make their writing meaningful, give them a purpose to write. A calculator, measuring tools, an ordering pad to take down cafe orders, those things don't necessarily have to do with writing, but they encourage the children to begin writing, making lists, drawing plans. And so it's related. I started to think about journaling and how journaling could look in the classroom. And then I started thinking of other things as a teacher I can do to encourage writing. And lastly, me-do list of things that I need to do to improve my knowledge of what I can be doing, looking at other resources, looking at pictures online, looking at the articles in our second textbook. So this is an example of one mind map, and you'll complete 2.